Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Hopefully you are doing absolutely amazing. This is your boy krishush again with another fantastic video. And in this tutorial, what we are going to do is we are going to write our program, our second program in Java. And in this program, we are getting division. First of all, we will get the input from the user, and after that, we will give them output. So as usual, first of all, to take the input, what we need to do is we need to import a scanner method, which I have already imported. And so as usual, we need to create the method, like scanner new scanner. So that is how it works. So we need this input, so that is why we need to put here in. After that, what we will create something, which is, let's create A, B, and C, this three. Now what we are going to do is we are taking the input. So let's print system.out.println, and let's tell the user enter your first number, so that the user will input here. Now it's time for that. Let's put here scanner dot. What we want is an integer. It should be integer because we have checked the integer here. And in mathematics, obviously we need to use integer. You can also use as character, string, or other things. Let's put here enter your second number, so that the user will input here, and b is equals to, it should be scanner dot next print, sorry, next int. Now everything is ready, so now it's time for the output. We will give the output to the user. So for that, okay, we have done something mistake. We will give the output as the answer is plus c. Okay, we have not used c yet. So for that, c is equals to a. Let's divide a and with b. So this is our program ready. So let's run it. Let's check it what will be the output, and it should be something. Okay, yeah, we need to give something input, so let's give it 50. Let's 10, and it should be 5. Yeah, it is. As usual, you can remove this symbol and you can use the plus symbol also. Let's run it, and now as you can see that, okay, sorry, 20 plus 20, that's 40. Yeah, that is how basically it works. So hopefully guys, if you have enjoyed this, and if you have any question, you can ask me on Instagram on comment section also. And yeah, if you want a much more program like this, so yeah, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm posting their programs on daily basis. You can practice with them also. If you have any doubt, you can ask with me. And please, if you have not subscribed yet, so subscribe fast, like this video if you have really enjoyed it, and please do not forget to share it with your friends. Hope so you have enjoyed it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great time.